everyone, today we have a video about how to use our ABC Mouse here at the library. ABC Mouse is a really great program for helping young learners, preschoolers up to elementary school to practice and get ready for reading mostly and writing. And so we've got ABC Mouse here at the library, which is great for early learning. And it's free, but you have to use it inside the library. So today, I'll tell you how to go ahead and get on ABC Mouse while you're at the library. What we've got down here in our children's department are some computers. And this is where you can go ahead and get on ABC Mouse pretty easily. First, you'll go ahead upstairs and sign out a computer. So I'll show you how we do that. Here's our bulletin board with all kinds of good information about programs at the library. You'll come up to our front desk, and right here we've got a sign-in sheet. So we'll sign out a computer for us. We'll put our name down, and I'll put Miss Danielle. And then we'll look at our clock right over there and see what time it is. About 11:30, so I'll write that down. You get 45 minutes on the computer before it kicks you off. So 45 minutes you'll have to do ABC Mouse. So we'll go right downstairs and find our computer. They're not numbered down here, so whichever one's available you can go ahead and sign into. I'll do this one right here because it's already on. Now it'll have you read through our acceptable use and unacceptable use policy, and then go ahead and once you've done that, click agree down here at the bottom, and it'll bring it into the computer. Might take a second. There we go. All right, so you'll see all these colorful umbrellas, and up here in the right hand corner on each of these computers you'll see where it says ABC Mouse. Now that's your link. You'll go ahead and double click that and it'll open it up for you, and up here at the top of the screen you'll see how many minutes you have left on your computer time once you signed in. And then once you're in here you can go ahead and start learning. They've got all kinds of learning software for you to work with.
About me.
And I'll show you one. We'll just click on the zoo page. Games and activities. We could do the animal name game. And if you'd like to go back to the home page, we'll just click on home. I clicked on classroom there just to see what's inside. Kinds of fun classroom lessons. So anyway, this is how you get into ABC Mouse, and when you're all done you can just exit, or it'll sign you off automatically if your time is up. And down here at the bottom you can go to sign out by this little person. And you're done. That's ABC Mouse for you. I hope everybody gives this a try. It's great, great, great learning software for your children to practice and be ready for school and practice while they're in school. So enjoy it. We've got it. So come and see it.